welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. So today is another tutorial, another look. If you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribe before the end of this video. On the notification bell for you to be the first to notify whenever I upload a video. A very big thanks to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you guys for keep on turning in. May God continue to bless you all. So for me not to make this video so long, so let's just jump to it. See you guys on my next video. Bye. So I will use Juvia Place, I will use the concealer just to drop a little bit of it. So I'm just going for a simple look. I will add a little bit of NYX concealer. So I'm just going to be doing simple look using Juvia Place. So I will use from this dark shadow. So I'm using my brush here, this brush. I switched to this brush which I used before, so I just So I went back to Revolution, so I'm going to mix it with this dark here. I think it's more darker. Brush, so I'll be using from these two colors here. So I'm done with the lashes and all. So I'll forward the foundation and the primer, other things, yeah. So this is the final look of this tutorial of this eyeshadow. If you know you love this video and you watch it from beginning to the end, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a video. So see you guys on my next video. Love you all. Stay safe. Bye.